girls, I'm going to talk you through the maths that we had today. The first thing I'm going to show you is rounding off. So anything that is like, so we had 59 here. If we're rounding off to the nearest 10, we're going to look at the unit to help us. So that's going to become 60, because if anything, there we go. Anything that is either 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 is going to round up. So, and then obviously, so up to the next 10. And if it's 4, 3, 2, or 1, it's going to round down. But this one that we just did now was supposed to round up. So let's look at our answers. I'm going to call them out, and you're going to mark as I read. Okay, so your first answer was 60, then 60 again, 40, 90, 450, 530, 670, 850, 130, 100, 500, 150, and then 500, 5,000, 40, 400, 4,000, 60, 600, 6,000, 3, 30, 6, 60, 8, 80, 10, 100, 90, and 50. And I'm going to swipe sideways and I'm going to the next page. I forgot to write those top ones in, so I've quickly done them. So question for page 63, question 4, I think it was, yeah, A to D. You just have to break those numbers down. So you would have had 4,384, which is 4,000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 4. The next one is 1,000 plus 60 plus 50 plus 2, 3,000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 7, and then 1,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 9. You must just mark these, please. And then I've explained or only written out A and B, but I wanted you to do working out for all of these sums, please. I've just done the working out for 2, just so in case you are going wrong somewhere or getting all your answers wrong, you can use these 2 examples as a guide for you to see maybe what you were doing wrong. Okay, so we've got 2A, which is 1,324 plus 5,413. Okay, so the first thing I did is I wrote those numbers out. So I said 1,324 is 1,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 4. Then I said 5,413 equals 5,000 plus 400 plus 10 plus 13. Plus 10 plus 3. And then I added them together. So I said 1,000 plus 5,000 is 6,000. 700 is 300 plus 400. And then I had 30 from 20 plus 10. And then I had 7 from 4 plus 3. I'm just going to take those away so you can see my final answer here, which is 6,737. The next one, I did the whole same process again. This time is 4,567 is 4,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 7. And then I said 1,235 is 1,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 5. And then I added them together and I said 4,000 plus 1,000 is 5,000. So 500 plus 200 is 700. And then I said 60 plus 30 is 90, 7 plus 5 is 12. And then when I added it together, I kept in mind that it's 5,700. And then I remember that 90 plus 12 is equal to 102. So I said 700 plus 102, which gave me 802. So I got 5,802. Okay, so then C was 5,104. And then I've got for D, 4,628, and then for E, 8,218. Sorry for all the mistakes, but yeah, I hope you can see it on the screen, and if you need to pause and mark, you can, and then you scan your work, please, and you send it in.